Whether you work with synth plugins, sounds in front of microphones, or you get your sounds from anywhere else, every single sound in your productions is actually a universe of frequency content. So the only problem with having so many sounds that are so brilliantly frequency rich is that they kind of tread on each other's toes. Often what mixes need is a defined role for every single sound within our tracks, and that's where EQ comes in. It's going to allow us to shape exactly the frequencies that we want in every single sound to make sure that there's room for all of them. On the course, we're going to look at techniques that have existed for decades, including the famous Pultec EQ trick, all the way through to plugins that actually suggest a role almost in the future. The algorithmic plugins, which are looking at frequency content and breaking it down into hundreds of bands in real time. We're going to see all of those techniques and everything in between. If the potential of a mix is a sonic canvas, EQ is the paintbrush, which is going to allow you to make the marks, draw the lines, and fill in the colours exactly where you want them to go.